Understanding the world of robotics. Dive into a robotics workshop. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an exciting world where technology meets creativity. Robotics workshops. This video is perfect for those eager to understand what a robotics workshop entails, its importance, and how it's shaping our future. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind these innovative hubs. A robotics workshop is a collaborative space where individuals learn, experiment, and build robots. It's not just a place, it's an experience where creativity meets technology. Participants, ranging from students to professionals, engage in hands-on activities, learning about mechanics, electronics, and programming. It's a playground for the mind, fostering skills like problem-solving, teamwork, and innovation. Every robotics workshop is unique, but they all share some common elements. Tools and equipment. Workshops are equipped with tools and materials needed to construct and program robots, from simple kits for beginners to advanced components for seasoned builders. Learning and guidance. Experienced instructors or mentors guide participants through the process, ensuring a valuable learning experience. Collaboration and teamwork. Participants often work in teams, promoting collaboration and shared learning, a critical aspect of robotics workshops. Projects and challenges. Workshops typically culminate in projects or challenges, where participants get to showcase their creations and what they've learned. Attending a robotics workshop isn't just about building robots. It's about nurturing essential life skills. Technical proficiency. Participants gain hands-on experience in areas like programming, mechanical design, and electronics. Critical thinking and problem-solving. Robotics challenges stimulate the mind, encouraging innovative solutions and critical thinking. Teamwork and communication. Working in teams enhances communication skills and the ability to work effectively with others. Creativity and innovation. The creative environment of a workshop encourages participants to think outside the box and innovate. Robotics workshops are increasingly popular in educational settings and professional development. Educational settings. Schools and universities integrate robotics workshops into their curriculum, recognizing the importance of STEM education. Professional development. Professionals attend workshops to stay updated with the latest technological advancements and improve their skill set. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of robotics workshops. They are more than just places to build robots. They are hubs of learning, innovation, and creativity. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or a professional, a robotics workshop can offer a unique and enriching experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're inspired to dive into the world of robotics.